Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are yet to subscribe, please click on the red icon below. In today's video, we are going to be making rice water for our hair. Rice water has a lot of benefits. Rice water contains amino acid. The amino acid present in rice water helps in regeneration of hair. Rice water contains vitamin B, C and E, which further helps in hair growth. Rice water also contains a carbohydrate called inositol that repairs damaged hair and protects hair in general. Rice water helps in detangling your hair, and it also helps in strengthening your hair. So guys, you have to do this for your hair, and trust me when I say this works, because I actually use it for some weeks before coming up to post this video, so I can assure you that this will work for your hair. So guys, all you just need for this is rice, just rice. If you want to see how I made this, stay back and watch this. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to wash the rice to get rid of any dirt in the rice. I'm just going to wash it for like say 2 to 3 times. And then I'm going to go ahead. So guys, this is what we have the next morning. I noticed the rice is a bit soft and the water has changed in color. So I'm just going to pour the water into my spray bottle. Then I'll spray my hair with it. After spraying my hair, I'm going to cover my hair with a shower cap and leave it for 30 minutes. Yes. After that, I'm going to wash my hair and deep condition my hair. moisture by applying my coconut oil and olive oil. Then I'll use hand dryer to dry my hair. I don't like using heat on my hair, so I'm just going to set the dryer to air dry. Pack the hair. I'm not going to weave it now, weave it later. So this is just all I did for now. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, comment below, tell me what you think about it, and make sure you try it out. Thank you for watching, and please, if you're yet to subscribe, click on the red icon below. Like this video, because when you you're telling me to be giving you this kind of video. Thank you, and remember to stay safe. Bye.